So we're down here in Eltham in southeast London. This is another project we're starting next week. So what we're doing on this project is we're going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cutting out and replacing all the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks as normal. Then we're going to be either repointing all of the brickwork in a tuck pointing style or a penny roll style for the customer. We're going to do them some samples and then they can pick whatever one they like best. What else we're doing on this project is we are removing all of the paint from all of the stonework and taking it all back to natural stone. As you can see, the detail that we're going to unreveal once all of the paint's off is going to be absolutely beautiful. So all the exposed face, getting all the details back in that's going to be a work of art when that's finished. All of the capitals, they're all going back to natural stone. I'm going to get all the detail shown through them. All of the window sills, nice new drip moulds in underneath the window sills. We've got good condition stone to work with, so all of the nice new drip moulds, all of the corbels, all of the bases. So this is going to be a real nice project to do for the customer. Really nice people, so they're looking forward to us finally getting started. Up on the top elevation, same again, taking it all back to natural stone. All of the capitals up here, getting all this lovely detailing all back to stone. Fascia board and guttering, it's all just been replaced, so that's all good condition. So it's just a case of brick cleaning, showing the customers some samples that they want to go with, and then getting it all back to natural stone. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, or you've got any questions, give us a call, get in contact. We'd be more than happy to assist you if you've got any questions or like any prices for our services that we offer. And we'll show you some progress on this in the next week or so once we get started. So like I say, going to be restoring this to the best house on the street. Customers have been and see our work locally. That's why they gave us the job. They want a high quality job, seen what we do, and this is the reason why they've chose to work alongside us. So like I say, we'll give you some progress in the next week or so and show you the transformation that we're going to be doing for these clients. Thank you very much. If you've got any questions, please just give us a call or drop us an email.